Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and we got to see some humongous moves, massive candles after NFP. As the market was very volatile throughout the week, so we were not expecting crazy moves after NFP, because we have seen multiple times that whenever market moves before a major event, then at the time of news market doesn't move much. But yesterday was special because the NFP numbers were shocking. Gold prices up nearly 1% to new high. Gold price jumped nearly 1% on Friday to a fresh record high of 3580. Actually, on chart we can clearly see it's 3600. Okay. Up around. So after a weaker than expected US job report boosted bets on Federal Reserve rate cuts. US economy added just 22,000 jobs in August, well below forecast of 75,000. 75 itself is a low number if you compare with the previous NFPs. Okay, so we were discussing yesterday, if numbers come below 50,000 K, then we may see some massive reaction from the market. And obviously we also discussed the chances are very low, but it happened. A number came around 22,000, and obviously market wasn't ready for it. As a result, we got a big drop on DXY. Dollar index fell, and gold, euro, USD, GBP, USD all started flying. If you have been a member of the free Telegram community, then probably you have seen me discussing about the support of 97 to 97.10 on DXY, and that support worked yesterday. To be honest, I was not expecting the support to work because selling pressure was really high, but it worked yesterday, and this is why ultimately gold settled below 3600. But there's a high chance that next week market will try to go below 97, and maybe market will be able to trade below 97 by Monday or Tuesday. Okay, if it happens, then we may see further upside on gold, euro, USD, GBP, USD, and others. So be careful and plan your trades accordingly. Now let's look at the chart of gold. So yesterday gold made a high of 3600. As we all know, 3600 is a round number psychological level. Okay, from there market saw some profit booking. Market ultimately settled around or closed around 358586 area. If you look at the chart like this, then obviously there is no doubt that this market is bullish. And in a market condition like this, obviously the best way to make money is follow the trend. In this case, the trend is bullish, so our best trading strategy is buy at dip. The same old strategy. The buy at dip means whenever market will dip or come for retracement, we can look for a buy position. But there is a problem. There is a problem. And what is the problem? The problem you can clearly see on the daily chart. You can see market is standing at the record high, swing high. And what is the market structure? Market structure is like this: higher highs and higher lows. Means it doesn't matter whether market is going up or down. No market in the world can go up in a straight line and go down in a straight line. Market always move in a zigzag pattern because of supply and demand. And right now market is standing at a record high. Yes, market has also formed a candlestick pattern also. It's a hanging man. But hanging man, it's a technical thing. Phenomenon that's always dominant. But here this move of gold is not healthy right now. Suppose market continues the upside next week also, then obviously we will have to follow the trend of the market, but obviously it will be high risk as well because market has not come for proper correction yet. So if you have any buy on gold right now, I'm just trying to say is that if you have any buy on gold right now, you need to be cautious because market is standing at the swing high. So there is a possibility that next week or after a few days market may come for correction or retracement. But if market doesn't come for retracement, remember during the Israel crisis or during the war between Russia and Ukraine, market was not coming for retracement. Okay, so if we get a similar scenario, then obviously following the trend of the market is the only solution. But as a buyer, we also need to be cautious. Okay, and obviously selling is not on the menu right now. Okay, at least while recording the video, we do not have any reason to look for a sell position on gold. Okay, now let's look at the trading opportunities. For the trading opportunities, we will switch to the 15 minutes time frame because I am a hardcore day trader. Day trading is my forte. Okay, so let's look at the trading opportunities as a day trader. Again, I'm repeating, if you have any buy, you can hold your buy position. And if you're looking for a fresh position in the market, okay, then buy and dip is the best strategy. If any news comes out during the weekend, that's a different story. Okay, then things will change. But as of now, while recording the video, market sentiment is bullish. So here, the best level to buy is around um, 3560 to 58. 5860 is the best level. Why? Because it's a bullish market. Okay, bullish market, you can see the level here, okay, is good enough. We also have the 200 moving average, and also the previous resistance will work as the new support. So from a price action perspective, 3560 58 is the best level where we can look for a buy position. Okay, but the problem is that, okay, 3560 50 is 3560 3558 is little far away from the current market price. So we can also look for a support around 3567. You can see around 3567. Okay, we have a FIBO level 356768. So during not during, actually after the market opening, okay, the market opening is going to be very important. If you see market opening, okay, is showing some retracement, then observe volume, means size of the candle. If you see similar size, then you can expect 3567 to work. But on the other hand, if you see that the profit booking on gold is continuing, market is coming down with big red candles, then obviously you need to stay away from buy. You need to wait for proper retracement. Okay, so 356768 is a minor level, and we also have a minor support around 3576 3573. Let me write it down. Okay, 7673. Okay, where market has taken support on Friday also. This is also a minor support. Why? Because market has taken support many times. Then we have 6766. Okay, this is another level where you can look for a buy, and these two are the minor support levels. What? Minor. If you see market coming down with low volume, then you can look for a buy around this area. If market takes support, you can hit the buy button, but otherwise just avoid. The best support, okay, on this chart right now is around 60 to 58. So if you ask me which is the best level to buy at retracement, 60 to 58. They are also there, 76 73 67 66, but they are minor levels. Okay, so these are the retracement levels, or where we can look for a buy position after the market opening. If market comes down, अगर नीचे की तरफ आता है, यहाँ पे हम लोग buy opportunity की तलाश कर सकते हैं. And for my Hindi channel, okay, you'll find link in the description. Okay, and one more thing is that if market goes up from here, okay, if market goes up from here after the market opening, if you see gold is going up, okay, then we can look for a buy above 3601. But be careful because it's a round number, so market may face some trouble crossing this level. So right after the market opening, if you see market is going up with big candles, the bade candles ke sath, then you can go for a buy at breakout. Otherwise, if you see the market is slowly going up with small candles, then just avoid. Let the market settle above 3600. When the same level, try to understand, when the same level, this is the resistance right now. When the same level will become the new support, resistance will become the new support, you can buy at pullback. That will be a safer entry. But after the market, if you see gold is going up very bullish, then it's a different chapter. You can buy at breakout. Without volume, it's better to enter at pullback. As of now, no sell positions on gold right now because we do not have any reason to sell. And if we go for a sell, it will be going against the trend of the market, so it will be high risk. If any news comes out during the weekend, That's a different story. But as of now, while recording the video, we do not have any reason to go against the trend of the market. So we are looking for buy at retracements only. And if market doesn't come for retracement, we can go for buy at breakout. But buy at pullback is much more safer. So that's all. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section. That's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. And feel free to follow me on Instagram also. Bye bye. Take care.